Westermans here, a few welding positioners just arrived. TWS brings them in with Roy the driver. There's Roy lurking around there. Look, give us a wave, Roy, thanking you, mate. Might see him later on Crime Watch if you're lucky. 12-ton McCobe, 1.5-ton key plants, a Bode 3-ton, and not quite sure on that one, possibly a 3-ton again. All variable speed with pendant control. First load, another load with a few positioners on and preheat equipment, ProHeat 35 and some other machines. These will be brought inside, they'll be serviced or refurbished to order and can be shipped worldwide. We also carry new in stock of 1-ton, 2-ton, 3-ton, 5-ton and 10-ton if required. There's Henry, he'll give us a wave as well, another one that might be on Crime Watch later. More details can be found on Westermans' website if you'd like to have a look. Thank you for watching.